Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to know it into being. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you would like to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course, if you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me, or you would like to join my collective coaching, all of the information will be down there. Alternatively, you can go on RitaKaminski.com and all of the information will be there as well. Think of a fact that is truly a fact in your life right now. It could be anything. For example, my name is Jane Doe, or I have a younger brother. Think of that fact right now. How does it feel? I'll do this with you. I know for a fact that I live in Sydney, Australia. My feet are planted in Australian soil. I live in a Sydney suburb. I experience the Sydney lifestyle, which includes enjoying walks on the beach with my coffee in hand, my cappuccino by the way, and enjoying the beautiful nature that we have here. I know for a fact that I live in Sydney, Australia. So I want you to do this with me right now. Again, think of the thing that you know to be true in your reality right now. You can pause this video and think about it. Now, let's meditate together. Close your eyes and ask yourself, how does it feel to know that this fact is true in my reality right now? It may feel calm, it may feel confident, it may feel steady. Feel all the feelings attached to the knowing that the fact that you have picked is in fact truth. I want you to remember this feeling right now and open your eyes. The fact that you feel a steady, calm knowing about the initial fact is how you should be feeling when you know your desire is truth in your reality now. This is exactly what living in the end is, or living in the state of the wish fulfilled, or knowing your manifestation into being. For example, I'm manifesting 1 million subscribers. I know that just as real as I live in Sydney, Australia, is as real as I have 1 million subscribers right now. It feels true. It feels like a fact. It feels like nothing can change that because it's already here. It feels like whenever someone asks me how many subscribers I have, I can easily say 1 million, but I don't because I know how this 3D reality works. The key is that you should feel calm, peaceful, stable, and a for sure thing in your reality now. You should know it. Once you feel like that, you can sit back and enjoy the process of your manifestation. Whenever you begin to feel like you're doubting, come back to this video and do this meditation again. Keep reminding yourself over and over. Do this over and over again until you feel like your desire is in your 3D reality right now. Can't no one tell you anything. Do not feel bad if you keep falling into your previous ways of thinking. You are human and it is natural. Just keep reverting your attention back to the fact that just as true as it is that your name is Jane Doe, that you live in Michigan, that you have a younger brother, is as real as you being in a relationship with your SP or whatever it is that you are manifesting. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.